while we can enjoy our food or 2 drinks. Choose our menus. Let's go get things. We can, but this is here right now.
We're gonna get a lot of food.
What did we get?
Got the masubi fried rice, which is from Alani. And then we got the cherry cobbler pot de creme.
All right.
It's almost like Edgar de la Creme. So let's dig in.
Oh, it's like full on. Like covered. Yeah. Very oaty, but I like it.
No? It's a little spicy, but it's good. Really good flavor.
Does it have egg?
Yeah, it's fried rice.
Is it Spam?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I was not expecting Spam.
That's what masubi is, right? Oh.
You're right. Masubi, yeah.
Spam masubi.
Uh-huh.
Something has a little kick to it for me.
No. The masubi. We're at the Garlic Kiss, and I think that's where we get the sirloin mac and cheese.
Okay.
Yeah.
That one is my
The sirloin Gruyere mac and cheese.
All right.
So hopefully it has a lot of steak.
I want one of these drummy ones, but I don't
No,
want
they're very
any
well
bread.
cooked.
It looks crunchy, but it's not. But it's good. They're good pieces though. They're like, they have meat on them.
Mm-hmm.
So they definitely do feel hand-picked.
I'll give them that. They're big, they're juicy.
What's special about the ranch?
Nothing.
It's like house-made.
They're big, they're juicy. But yeah, they could stand to be crispier. And the seasoning is meh.
I like the amount of seasoning though.
The ranch is really good. It's really like fresh. I guess the dill in it.
It almost doesn't taste like ranch. It's like some fancy cream topping.
Like a sour cream.
Like if you told me, no, that's dill aioli, I'd be like, ah, yeah. All right, I'm gonna try some of this mac and cheese.
It's good and garlicky, but it's not like overdone.
It's not garlic kiss.
No, it's exactly that. Garlic kissed, not garlic murdered.
It's birria mac and cheese. And it's actually good birria.
Yeah? Is it goat?
It's not goat.
So it's not good birria.
Well, it's not authentic, but it's good. It is a little spicy, but it's not like super cinnamony. So
Wait,
it's good.
no, you're supposed to do this one in Spanish and it's Mexican food. Start again.
What?
Do it again in Spanish. Guess.
Es birria con macaroni.
¿Es de chivo?
No, no es de chivo, es de res. Está un poquito picosita, pero no está like spicy.
No está like spicy?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
A ver,
No
pues.
está buena, no sabe a canela, no está dulce, está buena.
Voy a enchilar.
No sabe a canela.
That's the problem with birria. Sometimes it just tastes like straight cinnamon.
Haga hojas. A mí me dan sabores de laurel.
Está fría la carne.
Oh yeah, but it's good. That's what, like salsa de aguacate?
No colaron su birria. Mira, está. Las tecatas del Chile.
I have no idea what word you just said.
What?
Tecata?
What is that?
Tecata?
Yeah.
The skin.
The skin?
Yeah, like the little pieces.
I've never heard that word.
No?
No?
Maybe it's Salvadorian.
Is that where tecate comes from? Is that what that is?
No,
What is tecate?
beer.
I know what tecate is. I just mean like, what does the word mean?
Oh, my bad.
Tecata.
I like the salsa. I'm amazed.
The whole thing is really good. Oh, well, no, I like it.
People heard you said no.
I would get it 2 more times.
Yeah. Like if I went to someone's house and they served me this as a casserole, I'd be like, oh, okay, casseroles are good then.
The Western bows at LA style, which is grizzly peak.
back here. It's the Western barbecue bao. So basically a Western cheeseburger from Carl's Jr. smushed into bao.
You can't say Carl's Jr. You guys aren't monetized.
Brought to you by Carl's Jr.
Hardee's.
Sponsor us.
There you go. No one knows what a Hardee's is in California.
Everyone in the
Y
world
menos
knows
en
what
Honduras.
Hardee's is.
Is it good?
I don't know how to say it. Is it blue rock candy? This doesn't look blue. I'm
Oh,
gonna
I thought you said it was blue curacao.
Yeah, it's blue curacao.
Can I turn green?
Thank you.
Napkins, straws, and everything?
Oh.
Or utensils?
Okay, thank you. All right. I remember this one being my favorite last year. It was so popular it came back. It's probably a staple at Disney now.
I feel like it's been around for 3 years now.
Yeah? All right.
It tastes like a frozen Snickers.
I don't know if I've ever had one of those.
I used to think they were just regular Snickers that the guy at the liquor store stuck in the stuck in the
ice
freezer.
cream bars?
Yeah, and I was like, wow. And then I tried to do that at home, and it just turned into a rock.
Yeah.
I was like, what the heck? How do they get them so soft at the liquor store?
I used to love the Snicker ice cream. I haven't had one in a while.
It's probably the best thing, but since it's dessert, I don't feel right like comparing it with the rest of the ones that we ate.
How about with the cherry cobbler versus cherry cobbler?
Oh, this by far.
I liked the cherry cobbler. Actually, I didn't like the cream. I felt like
So you
that
didn't
was
like it.
no, I just felt like that was overkill.
That was half of the dish.
I feel like it should have just been the cherry compote.
That was half of the dish, and you did not like it.
I
That
did.
means you did not like it.
I liked it. I need it again.
You cannot dislike half of the dish
Yes,
and
I
then
can.
say you liked it.
No, I did like it. I just felt like it was overkill to have cream and the berries. I would have liked just cherry pie.
And that is the decision the chef made when they made it. So you did not like it.
So I guess this wins, but
Exactly.
this has too much peanut butter for me. Like if
So-
I had it by myself, I wouldn't finish it.
So we all agree this one wins.
Because I don't like peanut butter. I
Okay.
eat one of the other ones completely by myself. One of these, I would take out all that peanut butter in the center. I
You
would
wouldn't
take
leave the
it out.
cream over there?
A little bit, but
La
not all of it.
verdad, la verdad. Shall we go find the last thing?
We got, it's right here, the chicken taquitos ahogados, which is misspelling because it's just one. So it should be chicken taquito ahogado.
One.
Taquito.
One taquito.
Looks good.
We'll see.
I like the cilantro. It's very, like, what is that?
Just a stem on top.
Yeah, I thought it'd be like sprinkled on top. And
No, it's garnish, just like,
let's go on Ariel.
Oh, you wanted to go on Goofy's flight school?
She doesn't go on it.
I could pop out. I would wait for you guys.
Okay.
I mean, I don't go out on it either, but I'm trying to prove a point.
I like it. I'm a smaller person.
I was small when I developed a
You
feel
were
for it.
too small. That's the problem.
Goofy's wife is the reason I don't ride roller coasters.
It's not a roller coaster.
It is.
No.
This is a little coaster. It's a roller coaster for kids.
Yeah, but it has all the worst parts you could probably possibly have in a roller
That's what
coaster.
makes it most a roller coaster.
Yeah.
No.
It's designed like the ones for the fairs. It's just a coaster.
Yeah, but good roller coasters don't have 90-degree turns.
That's the point of it, though.
Yeah, that's why it sucks.
I like it. It's
We'll
fun.
see. I don't think you remember properly. So how do we feel about this dish? We didn't even talk about it.
Oh, I really liked it. I thought it was restaurant level food.
Yeah, she said that earlier.
Have the other ones not been?
No.
They were Disney Food Festival foods.
This one was okay. But maybe I'm just spoiled and like, it just feels like home food.
I guess, yeah.
Just like, oh, we went out for that.
I liked the salsas.
It was my favorite one from everything we've had.
Yeah.
The birria mac and cheese was the best. IMO.
That wasn't even good.
Well,
I really
does
like
that conclude our sip and savor pass, Jackie?
I think so.
Yeah?
We got all 8.
All 8 of them.
That even sounds like a lot.
Okay. With that, I guess I'll say let's go home, Nemo.
Yeah, let's go home.